How to install WordPress theme on Godaddy hosting. As you can see right now on our screen, we're currently in Godaddy. Simply first navigate to your cPanel admin. In my cPanel, this is what I am seeing right now under my applications. I have already installed my WordPress. And over here, I could simply click on the link which has the WP slash or dash admin over here, which is our domain or our dashboard for our specific WordPress website. Now over here, you can simply navigate to your appearance and navigate to your themes. And now you can simply customize it to whatever theme that you want to have on your WordPress. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.